Year end is approaching, and we're here to provide the tips and tricks you need to make it run smoothly. To aid in that process, we'll start with a standard requirement of year end annual forms. As you may know, forms like the W-2 and 1099 NEC need to be distributed to employees and contractors by January 31st to remain in compliance. Employees have the ability to access and print their W-2 or 1099 NEC statements from the employee portal. If you have employees that do not have access to the employee portal, you can easily access and print W-2 and 1099 NEC forms for distribution. Accessing these forms in your payroll account is easy. Simply click Reports from the dashboard menu, then select the W-2 1099 NEC W-3 1096 link under Annual Reports. Once on the year-end page, you'll have access to the forms and will find additional support resources. Review form FAQs and instructions from the IRS, and review and print company and employee forms. As always, we're here to support you if you have any questions. You can review our online help articles, launch an on-screen walkthrough, or watch a video. You can also chat, call, or send us a message. Be sure to click the Resource Center for additional walkthroughs, videos, and guides.